I've known Boost since we were 7. We were at the same school in the University of San Carlos. It was called University of San Carlos Grade School then. Now it's called University of San Carlos North Campus. The fondest memory I have of him was when we were 7. A little bit of history. He cannot straighten his back so well. So while we were still young, he was already hunched like this. And then one of our teachers, reading teacher if I'm not mistaken, Teacher Sue, she called Boost in front, the front of the classroom. She asked him to walk, from the door to the opposite side. He was hunched, so he walked hunched. And then Teacher Sue was angry. She got angry because he was hunched. Why was he hunched? He was still young. I mean, we were 7. So, like an obedient student that he was, he straightened up and then walked. So he was hunched at first and then he walked across the room. When he went back, he straightened up and then he hunched. He hunched just like that. So he walked like that, chook, then walked again. I will never forget that. Hello!
Hi!
Okay.
Kumusta naman si Marge? Buntis daw.
Buntis ka.
Pila ka months na?
3 months.
Kaubos na.
I am in UPSRP and this is the first time that I'll be doing a legit photo shoot, wedding photo shoot. And I'm a little bit scared. So I prepared my vlogging cam. Since this is my first time and I don't know the location, I'm going to go around. There's a groom. There's Boost. I'm going to go around and search for. The groom is also a good mobile photographer using his Xiaomi phone. Boost is really good with his B-roll, so he's walking there. I don't know what he's up to, but he's taking some hopefully good B-roll shots. I have all my stuff ready here. So I'm using the Canon 600D with a dysfunctional stabilizer. Image stabilizer is not functional. I plan to hang this barong somewhere, but since we don't have any clear spot, we will hang it here at one of the letters. They are ready. This photography business is so tiring. I've made so many shots. We've been doing this for about an hour now. It's tiring and I think I'm already half blind. It's 5:30 in the afternoon. We're almost wrapping up. They have this final shot, so we're going for it while there's still light. The wedding is today! Boost, Mindy, congratulations to you both. You deserve each other. You've been together for how long? 7? 8 years? I wish you all the best. Married life is quite a bumpy road. Whatever your plans are, we are here for you guys. showing me now is the bride.